Okay, let's have a look at going out. So the first phrase that we've got here is there a theatre near here? So, est-ce, so we got est-ce first of all. So, est-ce, and then is there is il y a. So, est-ce qu'il y a? Okay, so est-ce turns it into a question, and yeah by itself will mean there is. So, a theatre is un théâtre. So, théâtre. Okay, now we need quite a few accents here coming in, so let's just get this in here. Okay, bring it down here and put it in like so. So, théâtre. Okay, and this is a real sort of melange of accents, because we have yet another one here, bring it down here and paste it in like so. It doesn't sit quite nicely in there, but there we go. I have to sort of backspace it. And then près d'ici, so près, and then we need to put this in. So for près, okay, and again, and then près d'ici, comme ça, les dames. So numéro 1, est-ce qu'il y a un théâtre près d'ici? Is there a theatre near here? So près d'ici, this bit here means near here. So obviously we could replace un théâtre with other things. So for example, we could have had un terrain de sport, comme ça. Est-ce qu'il y a un terrain de sport près d'ici? Is there a sports field nearby? So un terrain de sport is a sports field. Est-ce qu'il y a un bowling? Is there a bowling alley near here? So we have that like so. Or cinéma. Okay, just bear with me as I put the accent in. Okay, like that. Bring it down and put it in. And as always, it doesn't quite fit in. I have to backspace it first of all. So the key structure in terms of verb, okay, or the verb based around structure is il y a. Okay, I'm just going to highlight that as the central thing here. The only actual verb within it is the a bit, if you like. Okay, so est-ce qu'il y a un cinéma près d'ici, and so on. Now, let's have a look at number 2. Can we swim near here? So, peut-on, so you got peut-on, and then swim is nager. So this here is the modal verb, and that is the dictionary form, the infinitive there. So près d'ici. Okay, let's just copy and paste this down. Okay, let's bring it down here and make it nice and easy, like so. So, peut-on, let's highlight the key modal verb, and then the second verb or the infinitive dictionary form in blue. Peut-on nager près d'ici? Right, okay, or let's see what we can replace it with. Can we play tennis near here? So, peut-on jouer au tennis près d'ici? Can we go for walks here? Peut-on se promener? Okay, like so. Promener comme ça, mesdames et messieurs. Alright, let's have a look at number 3. I'd like one ticket, please, and why not? So, I would like, je voudrais un, because it rolls into the vowel, the next word. Je voudrais un billet, pardon, s'il vous plaît. Alright, let's have a look at that. Let's just get this in. Okay, bring it down and put it in right there. Now, okay. Je voudrais un billet, s'il vous plaît. I'd like one ticket, please. So key verb, okay. Je voudrais, just voudrais if you like. And this is also a verb if it pleases you. So I'll highlight that as well. Okay, right. Now, you're wondering what I'm going to do next. So am I, to be honest with you. We've still got plenty of space to use down here. So I'm just going to carry on until we run out of space down here. So, numéro 4. What's on? Okay. Quite a mouthful in French is qu'est-ce que. So you got qu'est-ce qu'il y a. So you got qu'est-ce qu'il y a à l'affiche. So we need a. Okay, set phrase for what's on. Okay. So how amazing is that? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à l'affiche? Okay, I get it right on there. Comme ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à l'affiche? What is on? What's on? Okay, let's just highlight the key structure. Includes a verb within it, but not the whole thing's a verb, if, so to speak. So to speak is a good word, isn't it? Alright, moving on. Let's try and get a fifth one down here. And why not? When does the performance start? Literally, at what time? So, just bear with me because I'm actually going to go in and use this one instead, because I don't think, okay, this is clever stuff, you see. Look what I'm going to do now. Look, hey, how good is that? So, make sure you go back to British, because otherwise it would just type all sorts of strange things. And we don't need that. Okay, bring that back down. Silly me. Silly season. Okay, so à quelle heure commence, that's the verb. At what time commences, literally, le spectacle. Now, the spectacle is like the English word spectacle, but it's the show, or performance, if you like. Okay, so the key verb there, just highlight that there. À quelle heure commence le spectacle? At what time or when does the performance start? And obviously we can replace that with what time does the film start? À quelle heure commence le film? Okay, and we can change commence to when does it finish? À quelle heure finit le film? What time does the film finish? Or what time does the performance finish? Okay, like so. How clever is that? Right, and we're on to a roll here, and we'll just stick to where we are. Now, it starts at 8 and finishes at 10, and why not? So, il commence, so il commence, okay, à, it begins at, so let's bring this down here, with a musical accompaniment, of course. À 8 heures, I'm going to just put in the figure as opposed to spelling it out. Et finit. Okay, and finishes, okay, at, edit, copy, bring it down here, okay, and paste. And I think I'm going to run out of time, run out of space even, so I'm going to just write it like so, 10 heures. Let's tidy it up, make it look very sort of, okay, comme ça. Il commence à 8 heures et finit à 10 heures. So let's just highlight the relevant verbs so we know the key function words within the contact text there. And let's have a look at our final phrase. So let's just go back up to number 7. Okay, and it's quite convenient actually because it involves esca. So, right, let's just get rid of what we got here at the moment. Okay, so esca. Is it a horror film? Est-ce que it's literally c'est un film d'horreur? Okay, now if I just like saying that. Un film d'horreur. Est-ce que c'est un film d'horreur? Is it a horror film? Okay, a bit like this. Right, now, obviously, a romantic film. Okay, it will be romantique. Comme ça. Is it a romantic film? Okay. Is it an adventure film? So that would be, est-ce que c'est un film d'aventure? D'aventure, comme ça, les dames. Mais, monsieur, dames. Okay. De science-fiction. Un film de science-fiction. Okay. Okay. Just going to run into the next line. Est-ce que c'est un film de science-fiction? Est-ce que c'est un film comique? Comedy? Ok, comme ça. A war film, un film de guerre. Okay, except get the spelling right. Comme ça. Un film de guerre. Or is it a police film? Meaning like cops and robbers, as we used to call them. Policier. Est-ce que c'est un film policier? Ok les dames, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui et au revoir.